How you going, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Would have had a video uploaded for you earlier, but I kind of lost my GoPro and couldn't find it and get the footage for you. Today is Monday and I've got some packages here that I was waiting on. I talked about it in the last video, 2 of them. So we're gonna get them open and just do a bit of walk around what's been happening. Reese has got some packages as well. Some coilovers for that thing because it's sitting like American truck style at the moment. So we're gonna get these out. I'll go show you the SS track car, what the engine bay of that's looking like now, and then we'll start installing coilovers, get that ready, one more step closer ready for Matsuri, and then start cleaning up the shed some more. So let's get into that. Oh, and I got a really sore back, so Reese will be opening the packages. Yeah, I haven't opened it yet. I just opened the box and then my back started hurting. Yeah, pull the plastic. And a razor blade? Yeah. Don't scratch it, mate.
Don't scratch it. Don't scratch it till you own it. They look like your TIG welds.
Shiny. They do. I can claim that. My TIGs are that good sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Mine aren't.
That's good. And it's a VZ radiator too, so because obviously I've already deleted the overflow bottle, but makes it a bit cleaner. We can move it a bit more forward. You should probably do that to your car one day too.
What?
Get the VZ so it's got the radiator cap and you don't have to have the overflow bottle.
Yeah. There's fittings in there too, so don't throw the box away.
Oh, no,
wait, they're oil cooler, aren't they?
They're auto crap. We don't need them. This is the one I want to see. I haven't opened that one.
Is your back sore?
Oh, my back's killing me. Man. What's that? Oh, the thermo fans.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Not sure if I trust these ones.
No, they don't look that trash hot.
Does that? Can you smell that?
It smells burnt.
It smells burnt already. Yeah, I'm probably not going to run the eBay thermo fans. I think I've got some Spal ones here, or Davies
Take
Craig.
ones out of the U.
No, they're way too big.
Oh.
They're 15 inches.
Does this one smell burnt too?
Probably.
No, this one doesn't smell burnt.
That one's good.
Alright, so we've got one good one.
I reckon this part will clean it up. Alloy, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, Alloy. Oh, that's rough.
Oh, some machine work. I think it opens this end. Nope, yep. Oh, that's friggin' poxy as. Friggin' dogs. Oh, still looks cleaner than a normal thermo fan setup.
Get that one, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's warped as.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that. Oh well. Going to get bolted down.
Should be perfect. So yeah, radiator, 3-core, and the twin thermos, which I'll probably chuck some genuine thermos I've got laying around here in it. That should help with the cooling issues, as it's a V8 radiator and a 3-pass, 3-core, or dual pass, 3-core, 52mm radiator. That should be good. And we'll go have a look at the SS. Let's see what that looks like. Ow. Oh, first off, look at this thing. It's like a monster truck in the front. Ow, that hurts. Back's nice. So I've got the coilovers to level it out and make sure it doesn't handle like a boat at the track. how angry the SS looks. Ow. Show the people, Reese. Nice.
The weight reduction.
Yep. So cut all the inner guard out there, make it easier to route the piping both sides, get a bit more air in the engine bay. Yeah. Tack of the foam. We're going to build a bit of a bash bar along the front of it too. So when I
So you can bash people.
it doesn't hurt my intercooler or my radiator.
That's why I'm going last.
And yeah, probably, no, I don't even think I'm going to do anything with the rad support. I don't think I need to. Not very structural anyway. It's weak as piss. But yeah, it's coming up nicely. Got a few little bits to wipe up from where Reese oversprayed onto the brake lines.
Yeah, that race.
Bloody Reese's. But yeah, I think the black gives it a nice, splits it up a bit anyway. Oh, me bloody Simmons had painted white.
On the inside, yeah.
Just ignore the white Caprice over there. Alright, what else we got? That's it. So we're gonna go start putting the coilovers in, or clean some shit out of the shed so we can get the car in there and put some coilovers in.
Oh yeah, then we're gonna cut the hole and everything in the bonnet for the high-rise.
Oh yeah, I haven't said that. I'm gonna cut the bonnet out too, give it a nice little angry looking face, as well as the high rise has to come through the bonnet as well. Get a bit more air out of the engine bay, that will help get it out, not in.
Help with the cooling as well.
Yeah. So that'll be good.
Even though QR is going to be a lot better than Archie.
Yeah, it's a lot more open. It's a shame because it's quite a nice bonnet. There's a little ding here, but should be right. Look at that.
Look how much we got clean.
It's doing the sway bar thing. What's it called?
Strut brace.
Strut brace, yeah, that one. So I'm in too much pain for this shit. So on the VUs, you've got to drill the holes.
Or just this one.
Or just, yeah, no, I think it's in general. So white line sway bar comes with all the holes, but Commodore does not. So he's drilling all these holes. He's got an electrical aerial to fit because streetcar. He's done some bashing here because that was caved in.
On the meth lab on wheels.
Yeah. And then we've ordered some new strut tops because these ones are a bit dodgy. These ones were. And slowly assembling the coilovers to go in, but you've got to wait for him to strip that one down first. So I'm cleaning up the shed in pain while I wait. So we've got plenty done. Reese's coilovers are in. Crazy looking how high the hub sits up with them in there. Huh?
I don't know if they're going to work yet.
Sits very, very low, or high, which is low. Strap brace is in. Shed's getting cleaner, bit by bit. Reese has come down here, put a motor on the stand so I can start doing his turbo manifolds. He's out here starting to do the manifold mods for clearancing so we can chop it up and begin making his turbo kit. Yeah, ready for Matsuri. And there's motors and crap bloody everywhere because we're sorting heaps of crap out. Yeah, getting there, guys. We'll get back to you when Reese's car's on the ground and see what it looks like. So the coilies are all done. Nice and low now. Sits nice and even. Gave the guards a bit of a roll. Looks much better. They look good. Got that fitment. Now we just need a bit more camber. Should be set. I'd say it's pissing down rain, so Reese is probably going to be an idiot on the way home. See ya. Ah. Well, it's another day done and dusted here at LS House. Not a big one in footage wise, but got a lot of stuff done. All cupboards are gone from here, smashed up, put in the bin. Lots more stuff sorted out here. Cupboards empty. The majority of the cupboards are empty actually. Got some boxes over here. Got a few more over there. Sorting a fair bit of stuff out. Next will be getting over into that corner over there. Putting the VL on some wheels so we can move her around. And getting rid of all the crap over there. Boxing up all the power tools and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, done the coilovers today and a few other little things on Reese's car. Yeah, we'll cut that one off today. I'm bloody tired, my back's sore. Pushed through it all day. It's about 8 o'clock at night here, so all the boys are going home and I think it's about time for me to go home and have a munch and go to bed and do it all again tomorrow. So I've got to go home and edit a video. So I'll go home, edit a video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.